Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out who this is from and what is in this bag. Right, we have cross stitch. Surprise! Oh, just kidding. Alright, so we have two stamped cross stitch kits. And this comes from BiggestCraft. So let's take a look at what we have. Oh, you're just gonna love this. Let me get rid of my little needle threader here. Sorry. There we go. Get it out of our way. So let me see. The first one is a 40 by 60. It was $10.99. Get the other one out of the way. What? Maybe. Okay, get the bag out of the way and flip it over so I can show you the picture. I just thought this was kind of quirky, if you will. So that's why I got it. I'm trying to get it to lay down. Is that not different? It's a snake and they have a flower in their hair. On their skin. And they have a parasol running down through the middle. But I just thought it was really kind of different. And it is coming from that same company that does not put the numbers, you know, into the canvas like the rest of them. So it's a big page. Does have instructions how to start, how to finish. So far this side is all clean. It's kind of small, the printing, but it's very clear. I'm looking. Looks like they got this one done right. This has 38 colors. And it is 148 by 234. Like I said before, 40 by 60. So let's see what colors we have. There's a little bit of blotching right in here in that yellow. It seems to get the yellow or the red, but nothing that's too bad. Just tiny, tiny blotching. No big deal. I am not concerned. Okay, it has no 310 black. It has 550 purple. No 823, no 939, and no 3371. It does have that beautiful blue turquoise of, oh no, that's 996, isn't it? Never mind. I didn't say anything. So, yeah. And it does have 3865. So when we look at the colors, we'll know. But other than that, it's very well printed, very nice and easy to see. I will hold it as still as humanly possible. But yeah, I just thought this was different. I liked all the colors in it. I thought it was a bright and vivid picture. So yeah, it might not suit everybody, but I just thought it was different. And did I say it was an 11 count? I hope so. So sorry if I didn't. Okay, let's see what else comes in this package. Oh, here we go. Yeah. We'll have a discussion here in a minute. So we have a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And we have a butterfly. We'll set that aside. All the threads are in its own package. It does say 40 by 60 and the product number. That will match the paper pattern, the canvas, and this bag. And as you can see, they are on thread drops. Awesome. Yeah. Laura's just cringing. Get it out of here first. Okay, let me put that up there so I have some place to put it. But this has nice, vivid colors. So, I did find, I didn't go hunting real hard, one of my rings. So, I am hoping that we can just put those like so. And I think I got, see, somewhere there is a package with like 4 or 5 of these in there. I got it like at the hardware store, or I got it at Walmart. I know I didn't get it at, what do you call it, like Amazon or anything. And these they probably were in order, but at this point they're not. So I'd have to go through here, but I will find my thread drops. Not thread drops. I don't even have one here. But yeah. Well, I don't think I can get all these on here. I know I can take them apart. That's not a problem. I was just trying to be cool and get them all on there. Yeah, I'm not happy. But I think I do have the threaded. I don't have them right here. Dagnabbit. And I could pause, but it might take me a hot moment. Well, we're just going to put a few here. And then you can just snap it. They're made all different ways. But, and let me just pull that out. There we go. They're a little tall to be a thread drop, but it's fighting itself. But look at those colors. Look at the purples and the blues and that dark reddish coral. It's like a deep dark rose. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, but I have those things. I don't know. Dagnabbit. You know, that has the holes in it and it has so many numbers. I don't know if I have any big enough, you know, with more than, say, 20. So, I guess I'll start accumulating the bigger ones, right? So, very beautiful colors. They're nice and soft. Just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to hold this together and kind of maybe, oh my goodness, wrap them up. But just, we're having a day. Yep, we're having a day. We're just going to set that over there. Let's look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Everything is nice and neatly printed down the side. The stitching, the serging goes just grazing the numbers just a little bit, but your paper pattern matches. And it still says 148 by 234 at the bottom and how big it is down here. But I don't think I see any smears or smudges or anything. So, very nice. Let me unfold it. Let's see if I can find my... Holy cow. We were so not ready for this day. I am telling you. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's measure. So it's supposed to be 40 by 60. It's 59 centimeters by 40 centimeters. Actual picture size is 13 1/4 inches, or a little, almost 34 centimeters that way. And this way it is a little over 21 inches, or 53.5 centimeters. But it's very nicely printed. So, I don't know why they left all the numbers out. I don't understand that, but maybe not to confuse people. I got nothing, but they've been making them that way forever. Let me unfold it. But very nicely printed on the canvas. Looks like everything's squared and centered. Very nice. So, we'll see. All right. And the next one is a 50 by 65. Let me get it out of its bag. Perhaps, yep, it's made the same way. Oh, yay. Yes, give them a picture they can't resist and then have that. Okay. So, let me see if I can get it undone here. And to lay flat. Isn't that just beautiful? I love the mountains. They're kind of a turquoise color. And then you got that pinkish peach sky. And all the lovely pink trees. And then you got some red ones up there near the rest of it. It's just stunning. Just stunning. See how well they did with this pattern. Well, we have blotches here, there, and everywhere. Right here, right there, right down there. Let's see what the actual canvas looks like. Hold that thought. Or the paper pattern. Yeah, it's kind of messed up. But I don't... Let me move my bottle, water bottle there. This has 50 colors in it. So you know there's going to be some confetti. This top part looks pretty fair. I mean, it's good until it gets to about here. And then, I don't know that you can or can't see that. See the blotching right there by that brown right there. But I have contacted other companies, and what they do is they give you a link to their site and a link where you can, I don't know that it's on their site or wherever. I get a link and I can click on it and it will open up in PDF this whole pattern. If you need to look at anything, you can then print it from the PDF file. So yeah, but I will let them know that this was a little blotchy. And it's a little, I don't know if I can get it down there. Blotchy, see in where it gets to the yellow, and then you come over to the orange. We got a little more blotching, and I'm blocking out my dang light because this pattern is huge. So let's see what colors we have here. We have that 154, which is the mulberry. You have 310 black. You have 498, which is a brick red. You have 666 red, which is a bright red. You have 814, which is another shade of, it's a darker shade than 498 of brick red. You have 823, 939. Is there? No, there wasn't any 550 purple in this one. No, 3371. You have 3770, which is that yellow, like a pale yellow or butter color. And let's see, what do we got down here? 3865 for your white. So very nice. I'm assuming that that pale yellow goes here and maybe down here where the windows are. But I just, yeah, I love this. You have a great big sky. Here's your mountains. So there's some bigger areas here. And you're going to have a little bit of confetti just sprinkled here and there and everywhere because you got 50 colors. They're going to have to string it out somewhere. So very nice. I can't say that the paper pattern was totally nice, but it'll work. Okay, what else have we got here? So we have a leopard, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, needle threader. Set that aside. You have the plastic bag once again with how big it is, and the product number, matching canvas, paper pattern, and this bag. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Yeah. Not going to attempt to put this on a ring. Whoops, hang on, I lost it. Lost one. But, yeah. I think, you know, if you were going to put it on a ring, you should cut down. I mean, it depends on your size of rings. The ones I have are probably 2.5, 3 inches. I don't know what they were. But, and I can't remember for the life of me where I got them, but we'll just look at the colors this way. So you have teals and your reds. You have some mochas, tans. Yeah. So, very nice. Very well done. So, we'll see. Let me just keep that all together because I don't want it to go sideways on me. And the problem, it doesn't say number 1. It says 169. So, you have to refer to the number on the canvas. So, it would have been nicer the other way. If you're going to have to do this, let's just do this. So, let's look at the canvas. Canvas is serged as well, like the last one. And this one's a little bit bigger. No numbers, you know, here in the big area saying that's number whatever it was. It's probably 310 black, knowing everything else in my life. Yep, 310 black. How did I guess? But it is printed very well. Very nice. Very easy to see all the symbols. So that's good. And I don't see any smudges or smears on the canvas. It does have the product number up here. And how big it is, it's 191 by 256. Again. So it's just a hair's bigger than the last one. Let me see if I can stretch it out and measure. Very soft, you know, smooth canvas. It is a little thick, but it's not bad. I've had worse. All right, 63 centimeters. Oops, if I can get a hold of the tape measure. By, looks like almost 50 centimeters. Actual picture size is 17 1/4 inches, or a little under 43 1/2 centimeters. By, make sure I'm in the right place. Hold that thought. 57 1/2 centimeters, or a tad bit over 22 1/2 inches. So very nice. I'm trying to do my thing up because if I let go of it, it'll just go everywhere. Okay, let me fold it in half again. Hold that thought. Just so you can see the symbols. Very nice, very well done. But as you can see, it's kind of stand on your own thick. Now that's 4 pieces, but it's very soft. You know, it's not mushy, you know, where it just crunch in your hands. I like that part. You know, it needs to have a little stability to it, but okie dokie. And did I tell you that that one was $13.99? So BiggestCraft does not have diamond paintings. They have stitching things like cross stitch, latch hook. They have beaded cross stitch, but I'm assuming they may be just the small little keychain things. They have lots of tools and crafts for all of that. They also have punch needle supplies. They have scroll frames and Q-snap, or like Q-snaps there. But they always have a very wide selection. I think I have a discount code. If they have any specials, I'll put the specials and the discount codes in the description box below. And they usually have free shipping on orders over $49. That may go up or down, I'm not sure, but at last count, that's what it was. And they do have a separate Joy Sunday section. I'm not sure if they have a separate section, like some of the stores say Joy Sunday or DIY, or I don't know, is it Huracan right now? Huracan or whatever. They've separated them out. So check them out. They always have something for everyone. They have such a large variety. This is one of my all-time favorite stores. I have ordered more stuff from BiggestCraft than any of the stores that I do reviews for. So, yeah, I just love them. Their customer service is awesome. So do check it out. Well, thank you, BiggestCraft, for sending me these 2 beautiful kits, which I'm just going to get the guts to do. Yeah. So, we'll see. All right. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.